Hi, I'm Jenna Neal, and today I have a JuJu Be BFF in beautiful colors, black and white. I'm looking at repurposing my bags for my personal needs rather than the kid needs. This gives you an idea of how you can repurpose your JuJu Be BFF. I wanted one of these JuJu Be BFFs for a long time. I definitely was eyeing it a lot when I was pregnant. While it holds a lot, it is a strange size and shape. So if you don't like the wide base and then the tapered top, you might not like this. However, I really like it for certain things. I like it actually better crossbody, which is rare. It does come with a really nice crossbody strap, and the hardware is easy to remove. I did not find that I liked the backpack straps as much. They're different. Attach it like so at the bottom. Not my favorite backpack, but it is available for a backpack. The inside is great. There's a zipper pocket in the front. The inside opens up and there's this massive space, and it's great for cloth diapers, mommy needs. You can see all of your stuff. As a rider though, I have a lot of stuff. So I was trying to repurpose bags for some other things. I have my wallet. It does fit in the front. That would be all that really fits in there. Maybe a small JuJu Be set piece. Since we're doing JuJu Be today, I thought maybe I'd try the JuJu. My other favorite JuJu Be set piece might fit where your glasses go. So there's that mommy pocket, and that really fills it. I usually think of when I pack my bag, the bag's going to be sitting next to me. I'm driving, bag next to me. Daughter gets a bloody nose. How am I gonna grab Kleenex inside pocket? So I'm gonna flip this around. You can see naked laptop. It does fit nicely in that back pocket. The bag does have feet. However, see how easy that slid out? Because it's not padded. It's not padded at all. For the inside of the bag, look down into the bag. Here is how I have it packed. It has my notebook standing up, the medium JuJu Be set piece, my glasses, the large JuJu Be set piece, and then my Lily Jade pack, just free for all. And then there is an actual good amount of room left. I do have hand sanitizer in that pocket right there. My masks in the front. There are these really cool picture, although I would never really want to put anything in there. Maybe something you just want to easy grab and go. The bag looks really cool, and I can't believe I got so much packed in there and there's still a ton of room. Here's what the bag looks like packed. Here's the front of it. Looks amazing. Backpack. Oh, I can see myself. Wow, so cool having a new camera. Because a lot of my kids are not in diapers anymore. Both of my kids are not in diapers anymore. So I really wanted this bag. Love it. I love it. Yes, new camera. Yes. Yay, I'm in focus-ish. Hopefully, got it. Check. Okay, so I think the universe is trying to tell me something. Maybe it's because I'm not wearing black today. And well, okay. Yep, hold up. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but we'll find out. Those, always. Hopefully this is right. So, hi. I have a lot of junk. Yay! Okay, I'm Jenna Neal, and this is the JuJu Be BFF. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, like this video. If you didn't like this video, whatever, it's free. Subscribe, thanks.